Hi, it's time for another quick video to review vocabulary and spelling words for the week of October 6th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I think is the last day this week. So, this is for Angel. We have numbers 1 through 10 this week, and many of them are words from last week, so I'm just going to review them pretty quickly. The first word is equal. Again, it's like flat hands, you bend them, and the fingertips tap together, equal. So you could say 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, equal. Or she is good at baseball, and he is, not boy, girl, he is good at baseball. Then you can say the two of them are equal. Number 2 is odd. We practice this a lot today. We're really starting to use the sign odd more and more and more, and the kids are understanding that. So odd, normally we would spell it O-D-D, but for the spelling test we'll say, the numbers that are 1, 3, 5, 7, and we'll sign odd. Number 3 is subtract. So you tap the flat hand. This camera makes my hand look 3D. It's really enormous, like I have a big hand. Anyway, distracted. Just pull down. Just the claw hand just goes like this on the hand. Subtract. You can tell them it means minus. Subtract. Number 4 is even. I've changed that sign just a little bit to kind of make it more clear between equal and even. Even, meaning this and this, they're the same. One's not more than the other. They're even. Number 5. I always sign date. One of the other teachers in the classroom showed me the sign date, like it's on the palm of the hand, date. So we use both date. The kids, they need to know both signs, so we will use both signs. So date, like the time, or date, like also that, and not date, because that's the romantic going out. The next one is time. Pretty easy again, just the back of your hand, and you just tap like you have a watch on. This time. Number 7, again, is all together. You have one hand here, the other hand here. Excuse me. And they bring it all together. Together. Number 8 is sum. Sum. Flat hand. This one down flat like a plate. This one portioning off part of whatever's on the plate. Sum. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice a little bit. Number 9 is TOO, and that can mean many different things depending on the situation. So the way we sign it's a little bit different also. You can say that 2, like she has red shoes and he has red shoes too. 2. It's like these fingers bend down, and it's like a Y from the alphabet. It goes back and forth between the two things that are the same, here and here. 2. If I'm talking about me and you, I can say me too. I can make it go from me to you and back. Me too. Or me and that person over there, me too. It's a directional verb, or it's not a verb, but you use it directionally to show the two things that you're comparing. It also means same. Okay. The other way that it shows up in reading material again and again is if something is like too much or too big. I think that's the first time I've ever sneezed on a video. There you have it. So 2 can mean like you are too fast, or you're too wild, or you're too silly right now. Normally, again, you can either spell it, or in ASL, your facial expression really kind of shows the emphasis. You could say you're too silly, or it's too big. You kind of shake your head at the same time, or that's too much, I can't eat it all. Something like that. So your facial expression normally shows that. For class, we made up a sign that we could use as a prompt for them on the spelling test. Like 2 means like very. So you're too sick to be at school. And at the same time, we're teaching them really the right way you would sign it would just be you're too sick, you can't come to school, or something like that. Okay? I hope that's clear. Please ask me questions if you don't understand. And the last one is tap. We're just signing tap. Tap. You could tap. We sign it this way too for the spelling test. Sometimes tap, like they might tap their friend to get their attention. Tap, tap. They could tap their feet. They could, tap them on the floor. Tap, 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 tap. There's just so many different ways to sign it, but I think the consistent way that we're signing it for the test, for the spelling test, is tap, like for a friend, tap, tap, tap. Or like if it's a book, we might tap, tap, tap. Okay, not 100% clear answers, but not all things are 100% clear in this line of work. So hopefully this is helpful, and we'll see you soon.